We're on vacation, a few days vacation away from town. Safe travel. Thank you so much, Daily Dose of you. I think they are at Sangjom's premiere, still going on. Still on premiere now. You don't have premiere today? Ay, by the way, I'm sorry. I think you say hi to me at Nanay Esper vlog, but then I was running out of what you call data, so I haven't replied you back. Okay, sorry for that, and thank you for your greetings. I have headache already, you know, guys.
What?
I thought I'm friends
There's some trouble.
of your life.
Yeah, I will end now anyway in 6 minutes.
You are not.
Yeah, in 6 minutes.
And Gary's as well. I remember that.
Sa anak.
And Gary's is.
Hindi ko naman naalala yung pinuntahan natin.
There is a Wadi Dawka, frankincense trees, Al-Balid architecture.
Ain Garcis. Ain Garcis, we've been there.
Picture ko nga yan.
Pero wala namang ano doon. They didn't have waterfalls really. It's just like a wadi. It's like a lake in Ain Garcis. I remember that Ain Garcis, that one I fought with someone, a driver.
Yung nagbaha.
Kaya nga, nagaw niya yung parking that we wanted to park, then that idiot was taking over our spot. Then I was so mad. My God, I was really... Magsail! Are we going to Magsail? Magsail, I can very far. Magsail also, nice. Magsail was, there is a lot of camels on the road, I think. I don't know, where's those videos of ours? Lapit na mag-ina ako. Isang oras na. Isang oras din ako. 3 more minutes. Delodos, thank you so much. Mga Indian, ano to eh, Indian vlogger. Walaton ko lang sila magbalik from premiere. Di pa tapos siguro si Chang Jones eh. Grabe traffic ba? Kuha ng ano.
Now, when you're doing this, can you insert to check another location or no? For example, the 18 square, if you search now, it will come before the destination or after? Can I touch?
You can put another point, but
There's a search now.
You lose the other maybe.
what is it?
18 square.
You want to stop first there?
No, I wanted to say which one will come first.
It doesn't show. Wait.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ito ako sa kabila.